welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is very exciting for me. I'm changing up my hair a little bit, so I don't get my hair done that often, and last time I had it dyed it sort of destroyed it. Like, I had it balayaged and the ends bleached and it literally went like straw, and I was so scared I had killed my hair, but I literally put coconut oil on it twice a day for weeks, so I just looked like I had really greasy hair for ages, but it saved my hair. And then I've had about 6 haircuts since I put the blonde through my hair, and it's pretty much all grown out now. There's still bits through my hair, but I really want to get it redone because I love the look of it, so I'm gonna get it done today. I'm a little bit nervous, we'll see what it looks like, but yeah, so this is the before, if you like. My hair is in need of a wash, but there's no point washing it when you go to the hairdressers because they just wash it anyway. I know that's probably, if you're a hairdresser, you probably think that's really grim, but it's like, it's not that grim. Why wash it twice in a day? But I just thought I would document my hair beforehand so you guys could see. So it's lovely and wavy at the moment because I've been plaiting it recently because it's just getting too long. Like, this is it curly, so it comes down, it's a lot of hair. Like, I have thick curly hair, it needs a bit of taming, so I'm gonna get my layers cut back in, trim off a few inches, and then hopefully get some blonde put through it. So yeah, next time you see me, I'm gonna be all probably very similar to what I look like right now, but I thought I would document it nonetheless. But yeah, this is the before. See you in a minute.
2,000 years later.
This is what it looks like, and I am so happy with it. Like, look at that. So it looks the same length pretty much as it was before. Well, it feels the same length to me anyway, but it's a lot straighter currently, so I feel like that's why it feels the same length. I'm sure when it's curly it'll bounce up to about here. But look at the colour of it. I love it. I thought it'd be so nice to have this sort of colour for Christmas. I really wanted lighter hair. I used to have it like this and then it's grown out, and I don't like dyeing my hair often, especially when it's bleaching it. So I've left it a while and thought now's the right time. So I just had it sort of lightened up to my natural colour, or my natural colour lightened to blonde, however you want to call it. But look how nice it looks. I'm so happy with it. I think it just looks so nice. Oh, amazing. And I can't wait to see my natural curls in this colour. I think it's going to look really nice as well. So this is my little hair transformation video. It's been very, very overdue. My hair has been in need of a cut and just refresh for ages. And I think it's had that. I love it. And also, look, I just got my new earrings. Wait, can you see it better on this here? The little T-Rexes. I love them. I know that's not the point of this video, but I just felt like showing you guys. Okay, so that's today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed seeing my hair go from Hagrid to, I don't know what to call this. Should we call this the Victoria's Secret blow dry? There we go. It won't look like, I'll step outside and it will rain and as it normally does. But I'm gonna stop rambling because this video was literally just to show you my new haircut. Ta-da! And if you want to see pictures of my new haircut, check out my Instagram. I'll link everything down below, but this was just a fun little video showing you my new hair. So I really do hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think of the new hair. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.